So today is an exciting day. We're putting these beautiful light titanium A5 bolts around the bike. Unfortunately, I wanted to weight them in, but we don't have the weight in, so...
Yeah, but that's complete shock body as well.
These, unfortunately, will have to stay like this. I'm not a big fan because we put the performance fuel cap, so the hole doesn't match the bolts. So they will stay a little bit elevated, fortunately, but they look beautiful.
Probably put the bench up while doing this.
What's the torque on these?
45.
45. They look sick. They match the exhaust color. Tank cap. So I go for it?
Yeah,
Really?
I would. As long as it's got a clean bill of health, full service history, and
Full
everything's
service.
been done.
I actually called Aprilia, and they told me, and the guys, these very big difference on weight. These feel very heavy comparing to the titanium. So, of course, the look. I mean, look at this.
Oh, I don't know. That you'd have to check with the dealer.
While Rowan is checking the torque of the sprocket, just have a look at what's going on here in the shop with this project. Looking fantastic. Still love the color. Oh, sexy. And also they have the Brabus. Oi, oi, oi. Look at this beauty. Carbon everywhere. Seats. Look at that. One piece.
KTM 1290 SuperDuke.
Size. Everything is carbon. I'm a big fan of this AMG lamp, LED, the intake. Oh,
This one KTM Brabus edition.
for the M10, Rowan has to take the whole sprocket off, so you can have this, so you can open it and close it. There's a grey one? I thought there's only red and black.
No, that was last year's color variant. So this year is this black, and then they've got a grey. Nice. I prefer the grey in this year.
Does it sound the same as mine? Yeah?
No, I wouldn't say it would sound the same. It's got the Remus on, and we haven't done a debaffle on any of them yet, or removed the DB killers. We are finishing now the sprocket
looks really nice. And also this subframe bolts gives an absolutely incredible look from here. Rather those rusty, I don't know why they look so terrible. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Thank you, Rowan. Roy looking handsome, and Abdullah there.
What's on over here?
Look at this, baby. These Pro bolts just give it a complete different look. And they weigh so light. I'm not a big fan of these popping up, but it is what it is for now. Thank you, Rowan.